A typical problem that happens on the Chrysler vehicles, and this is a 99 Chrysler Sebring Convertible. If you turn the AC or heat on the fan, it only works on high, and if it only works on high 99% of the time, it's the blower motor resistor, and it's a simple fix. And I've been hearing a lot of complaints about these cars. I know people go crazy. I think the electrical systems is one of the things. And just to say a comment, I think it was Bob Eaton, who was the CEO of Chrysler from 1993 to 1998. He made a lot of cost cutting, and I heard these things. And anyway, I'll get on to what the fix is on with this. It's fairly simple. It's actually very simple. It's very cheap. And it's on a convertible. So you have this plastic piece, right? It sits underneath the blower motor. It actually looks like this. Okay. Now right here, okay, there's a push pin. You pull this out, and this whole thing comes out, and this little bit of insulation goes over this push pin of the hole. And if you look under here, using a mirror, you can see these two bolts. These are 8 millimeters. Got them loose. You pull those out, and there's a blower resistor that works with the motor, so it works on different speeds. That's why the fan speed might only work on high. I think this part is like $20-something. It's cheap, and it's easy to replace. So you take this plastic thing off, you drop this off, just two 8 millimeter bolts, and this is taken out. So you got a clip right here. You squeeze the clip. It's in there pretty tight. You'll have to wiggle it out. This whole piece up here is the resistor, and that's your replace. Slide it back in, bolt it up. It should work on the various speeds, low or extra low, low, medium, and high. So that's all there is to this fix. You just take down this plastic piece here. It's one push pin that goes up in here, okay, and there's two 8 millimeter bolts. Then you unclip this. It's in here kind of tight. You pull it out. This whole thing you replace on the top here. This is the part that slides in the harness, and that's it. That's the simple fix. This is a typical problem, and I've seen people bitch about this problem on this car. Actually, the aftermarket comes out with a better resistor, so it shouldn't break anymore. But this is something typical that happens, and it's a very simple fix.